In today's print industry, speed and efficiency aren't just advantages, they're requirements. Customer expectations are rising, turnaround times are shrinking, and the pressure on production teams has never been greater. That's why automating your bindery department isn't just a smart upgrade, it's a strategic transformation. For decades, print shops have poured time and labor into manual finishing, collating, cutting, laminating, folding, trimming. Each step essential, but each step relying heavily on people. Skilled people, yes, but people who can only do one thing at a time. Automation changes that reality. In this video, we're showing what true efficiency looks like and what happens when one operator is empowered with automated finishing equipment, technology designed to run independently, consistently, and precisely. When your equipment becomes the extra hands your team has always needed. Here, with just a single operator running 4 tasks at once across multiple machines. Watch closely. While one automated cutter trims a fresh set of business cards, a laminator is simultaneously finishing a run of invitations. At the same time, a slitter is turning those laminated sheets into perfectly cut pieces, and a folding machine is producing crisp, accurate brochure folds without requiring anyone to stand and babysit the process. All this is happening in parallel. In only 2 minutes, one person and 3 automated machines complete what would traditionally take multiple staff members. This is the power of modern print finishing automation. It multiplies what your team can produce without multiplying your labor costs. Yes, there can be a meaningful upfront investment, but the return begins immediately. Automation doesn't replace people, it elevates them. It gives one operator the ability to do the work of 4. It ensures every job is finished with accuracy, speed, and consistency, and it positions your print shop to compete, grow, and thrive in an industry where efficiency is everything. This is more than a demonstration. It's a preview of what's possible when your bindery department is built for the future.